Hi and welcome to the Resources Roadhouse. I'm Wally Graham and I am on the Sydney leg of the RIU Investor Roadshow, chatting to an old friend of the Roadhouse in Matthew Bowles. But Matthew, an old chum of the Roadhouse, but with a new gig at Indiana.
Yeah, thanks, Wally. Yeah, it's great to be here. It's really good to be telling news story. Indiana, it's a really, really exciting story, so I'm looking forward to presenting shortly.
All right, so Indiana Resources, we were just alluding to the new gig for you. Why Indiana? What was it about it that said, okay, yeah, I'll come and join?
Yeah, look, I get asked that quite a bit. I think it comes down to about three aspects, really. One is obviously the funding position that Indiana's in. It's a unique position from a gold explorer. The second part is a gold explorer. We've got a dominant land position in South Australia. It's over 5,000 square kilometres of ground, a major fertile lake labyrinth shear. And the last one is that we're continually hitting some really good high-grade drill results. So it's the opportunity to grow this is significant. And I think it's just really flying well under the radar at the moment. So it's, exciting opportunity to get involved.
All right, so let's get into the nitty-gritty of the project. So it's in South Australia, you said?
Yep.
What's the name of the project?
So the project's called the Minos Gold Project. It sits within 5,000 square k's of the central Gawler Craton. And we've really just only been exploring a very small part of that lake labyrinth shear, which extends for over 50 kilometres. It's a big fertile gold system.
All right, and so where is it at the moment? What's the immediate plans?
So we're drilling, we're about to start drilling. We're waiting on some assays from the last RC and diamond program, so those assays should be released later this week. We've then got a 5,000 metre air core program drilling another new target down at Company Wells. So most of our drilling has been at Minos, which is an advanced prospect. Hope to get a resource out in that, I would say, potentially sometime next year. And then we're looking at Ariadne, another prospect, and I said Company Well, which looks really exciting. It's had some great calcrete results back, and we're really just starting to expand that footprint in that area and making investors aware that there's more than just the Minos prospect.
All right, so you're going to expand that sort of project area. Is that the only thing in the portfolio at the moment, or is that the main concentration?
Yeah, look, it's a good question. The primary focus is on gold at the moment, but given it's such a large project area, and we've got there's indications that we've got rare earth potential, titanium potential, base metals. There could even be VMS and IOCG there. It's a really, really big system that hasn't had that level of exploration, and that's what we're now looking at doing.
Yeah. So, it sounds to me that you're out there, you've got gold on your mind, but you're also willing and able to see what is there to offer. What does it have to offer? You're not exactly sure.
No. I think obviously with gold price on absolute tear and gold prices gone through all-time highs overnight, so it's fantastic to be in gold. It's fantastic to be drilling and releasing high-grade drill results. So that's certainly the primary focus. But given the opportunities, there's some really, there's a lot of big potential in South Australia. There's some major deposits there, and not just gold. So with the land holding that we've got, we've really got the opportunity to look at what else is there as well. Yeah,
South Australia has been a bit of a sleeper of late, hasn't it? So it's good to get a bit of a wake-up call over there.
Yeah, look, there's quite a few Aussie promoters that are now in South Australia. South Australia's getting a lot more attention. And I think that's, there's Alex Scannell at Barton Gold's really been leading the way in that aspect. It's a fantastic story there, and there's a number of other groups that are looking to replicate that as well.
All right, well, it sounds like we can anticipate some news coming out from the drilling that's happening at the moment.
Yeah, very soon.
All right, so we'll wait with bated breath for that to hit the market, and and from then on, we'll just wait and see what happens, eh?
Yeah, thanks, Wally.
All right, mate, great, good to see you.
Thanks, mate.